평화로운 어느 날 취재하던 사건의 기사를 빼앗긴 주인공 프레야.
Stole my story. Brought you that real estate corruption piece.
I'm actually sitting right here. Get out, Steven.
He took my research, my source.
24-hour news cycle, nothing takes month. You write around things. Bria, just not sure there's a place for you.
급기야 브레야는 사직을 공고받죠.
You okay?
Right. I'm supposedly a sports agent, but really, I'm just a baby. Life would be so much simpler. Like you, John, mechanic.
Nothing simple about what John does.
It's just a joke. Come on.
It's what I think happening.
John proposing to you is not a bad thing, it's a good thing.
I know John's a great guy. I just don't think I'm ready.
브레야는 남친 존과의 결혼을 망설이고 있었는데
I don't know. Baby?
존은 브레야에게 드림카를 선물해주죠.
Happy birthday. It's your dream car. I rebuilt it.
Amazing.
Open her up.
What can I get you?
잠시 주유소 편의점에 들르는 브레야.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Can I get this for you?
No, don't be silly.
Yeah, I feel a lot better if you...
You do that.
I know, but make me feel better. Sorry again.
Don't worry about it.
Car, get your now.
브레야는 여자가 마음에 걸리죠.
Wow, that is a hot rod. What is she, 68?
69.
Shop, that's awesome.
Not looking for any trouble.
I'm a problem for you.
How you like that?
Hey, what's going on?
결국 소동이 일어나고
Hey, what's going on here, huh? Getting a lot of weird traffic up here. Well, stay safe.
You around, sexy bitch?
Fuck you, asshole!
Hey, you all right? I apologize about
The whole gas station was crazy. She was in the bathroom and I don't know, and I feel like
둘을 뒤따라온 폭주족.
crazy.
존은 엄청난 운전 실력으로 폭주족을 따돌리죠.
Little problem, Red.
Fucking tourists through the forest. There's a schedule. Billy, get him to send the truck up.
Wow.
한편 숙소에 도착한 두 사람.
It's crazy.
그렇게 두 사람은 오붓한 시간을 만끽하죠.
Did you order food?
누군가 숙소에 온 듯했는데 다름 아닌 프레야의 친구였죠.
Karen, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry, I didn't. You kidding me?
Woo! Hi, Malia. Did not know you guys were coming.
But he said that you said it was okay. It was okay, right?
No.
What?
It's fine. I'm always happy to see you. Don't be silly.
So
Come
sorry.
here.
What are you doing here? Told you I was coming up, right? I'm trying to create a moment. We'll get out your way. All right.
Babe, how did this get? We come in the house. I can't even. Like, this is the strangest.
주유소 여자의 폰을 가져온 프레야.
Well, when we went to that gas station, there was this girl in the bathroom. She just, I don't know. It was like she was trying to tell me something. It feels a lot like. And she was trying to tell me that 0704. Ha! Huh. Looks like it's all encrypted. Entry codes and.
그런데 폰 안에 있는 의문의 사진들.
They're like all in the same pose. Looks like profile.
Looks like human trafficking.
Oh, no.
Please.
We need to call the police.
We're not calling the cops, okay? This is a corporate house. I have ball players. I got big name politicians. They're not gonna
We're
chill.
calling the cops.
Calling the
Yeah,
cops.
we absolutely are.
You're just you scoop this, huh?
Shut up already, man! Shut up!
그렇게 분위기는 엉망이 되고
She's gone.
브레아는 일단 정보들을 옮겨 적죠.
Who the fuck is that?
It's the cops.
직접 이곳을 찾아온 주유소 여자.
John. Hi. I think I put my phone in your bag. Why don't you come inside? Look, don't do that. Come inside. You can let them know where you are. Listen to me. They will kill you. Fuck! Oh, no. Fuck! Come here. Wait, I'll give it to you.
그런데 놈들도 이곳에 와 있었고
Be alright, because I got him worked in.
여자는 살해당하고 말죠.
I want my phone back.
일단 도망치는 두 사람.
Where are they? He's dead. What the fuck are you doing?
I have a plan. I'm a negotiator. This is what I do.
그때 친구가 대신 나서는데 말리아는 이미 잡힌 듯했죠.
Huge misunderstanding. I want to apologize. Bullshit that's going on. We want to get you your phone, but you have my girl, man.
뒷문으로 탈출하려는 두 사람.
All right? Please, let me get my girl.
The phone's been unlocked.
I will shoot you, motherfucker.
결국 친구는 무리수를 두는데 살해당해버린 친구. 놈들이 집 안에 들어오기 시작하고 겨우 빠져나오는 존. 그때 존이 기습을 당하는데
Should we check it out?
Let's go.
민가를 발견한 두 사람.
Hi, sir. Sir, explain, but can we please come in? We just need to use your phone.
Hello?
Thank you so much.
브레아는 사진들을 신문사에 전송하고
They were shooting at me and my girlfriend, man. Please. Please. I don't know where I'm at, man. I'm enough.
결국 놈들의 기습이 시작되죠. 그때 존이 반격을 시도하고 놈을 처리하는 존. 그런데 존은 치명상을 입었고
I took that guy's car keys. The keys. Get the safety.
결국 목숨을 거두는 존. 그때 브레아도 발각되고
Let it go.
다행히 때마침 경찰들이 도착하죠. 그런데 여자 경찰도 한패였고
Fucking mess. Fucked up? You clean it up. Do you understand?
결국 납치되는 브레아. 브레아는 어느 동굴 같은 곳에 갇혀버리는데
Malia?
말리아도 이곳에 있었죠.
What happened to John? I'm so sorry, Brad.
You really get the ghost.
You won't be needing this now.
그때 브레아가 반격을 시도하고 말리아가 브레아를 도와주죠.
Let me back.
결국 브레아 홀로 탈출하는데 이곳은 바로 그 주유소와 가까운 곳이었죠.
I was kidnapped.
그런데 하필이 여자 경찰이 전화를 받고
Where is she?
결국 브레아의 탈출은 물거품이 되나 싶었는데
You're gonna shoot me. So fucking traitor.
Fucking hands on your head.
다행히 추가 병력들이 바로 도착하죠. 무사히 구조되는 여자들.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It's all been corroborated by the information found on the phone.
This will be on the front page. But Bria, this goes out, they will target, and they may.
Let them come.
California, where a sex trafficking to the arrest of, among others,
그렇게 영화는 미국 내 인신매매의 심각성을 알려주며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 트래픽이었습니다. 어두운 밤 어디론가 향하는 한 차량. 그때 큰 사고가 날 뻔하고
Well, you were really dreaming over there early.
Dreamt you were trying to kill me. Parents' anniversary party, and my mother wouldn't stop talking. Started screaming you couldn't take it anymore, and then you tried to.
주인공 부부는 권태기였는데
Is that something?
It's south. I mean, eventually we got to.
Oh my God!
Sorry. I'll tell you what.
차를 고쳐주는 한 행인.
I want to have someone smarter than me take a look. I'll do that. Thanks. So now, what do I owe you? Nothing. No. You for finally giving me something to do. I'd feel a lot better if you just took. Well, yourself a $20 sparkly then.
David.
What do we hit something?
차가 또 멈춰버리고
Drive it the whole way. Kind of nice out here, really. Charlie would have liked it.
Okay, you know what, David? Do what you want.
Shit. Sorry.
Sorry, things get a little boring around here.
There's a mechanic at the garage over there. He helped us with our.
He's gone home for the night. He'll probably be back tomorrow morning.
Another garage?
There's Clark, 20 miles east.
May I borrow your phone?
That's a payphone right out there. Trouble is, Clark's won't be open either. Back around 8, if you can wait that long, I'm sure he can get you up and running. While I'm wide open here.
결국 이들은 이곳에서 묵기로 하는데
We've had our tetanus shots, right? God, I should have told my mom about us.
I'm sorry. Off the interstate either.
Hello?
누군가 문을 두들기고
Hello? Don't touch that. Who is it?
계속되는 장난.
Yeah, what do you need? It's a little late for this shit, okay? Oh. Who is it?
남편은 옆방으로 향하고
It's real fucking jerk off.
Everything all right, Mr. Fox?
No, because the asshole in the room right beside it won't stop. You got any ideas?
It's very strange. It's the only guest I got in here tonight.
Okay, and I gotta say I'm pretty exhausted.
옆방엔 손님이 없다는데
He just thinks it's some drunk.
Maybe we should just leave.
Should just gut it out here for a few hours. What is it? Alright, classics. This really gets the honeymooners in the. They could do is give us a little.
그런데 그때 데이빗은 영상 속 배경이 이 방임을 알게 되죠.
What movie is that?
I don't.
this room?
It sure looks like.
It can't be real. It can't be real.
그때 두 사람이 위기에 처했음이 확실해지고
Please.
Climb out this way. Come on.
탈출을 시도하는 두 사람. 그때 살인마가 나타나고
Try. Hey.
살인마는 2명이었죠.
When we come in here, they're gonna come in. We gotta find another way out of here right now. If we stay here, we're gonna wind up like all. If we can just keep their attention on that.
아내가 시간을 끌어주는 사이 데이빗은 공중전화 부스로 향하는데
Sorry.
Emergency?
Pinewood Motel. It's near the mountains.
Yes, sir. Do you
No, it's near some side.
never survive if you lose control, Mr.
공중전화도 모두 가짜였죠.
It's getting light. They're gonna want this thing. Some scissors, anything. Okay, what about the knife from your app?
It's in the car.
무기를 찾으려는 두 사람.
You're bleeding. What do you think they're doing?
그렇게 시간이 흐르고
I need you to stay there, watching you. Watch what I was doing, but they need to see. You don't think we're trying to get out?
Wait, what are you doing?
Through the tapes. See, right there happens in almost every one of these. Right there, it's the bathroom.
데이빗은 화장실 속 통로를 발견하죠.
Lights. Someone's here.
그때 트럭 기사가 등장하고
He's lost. Help us.
Come on, wait. You can't.
Help!
No.
Wasn't sure you were gonna make it.
트럭 기사도 한패였죠.
Good stuff.
Hey, come on. Come on. Can't go.
What's in there?
결국 비밀 통로로 내려가는 두 사람.
I'm gonna lead us out of here.
I can't go.
Close your eyes. Grab a hold of my leg. I'm gonna lead us. Come on. Oh, shit! You can't scream, baby. Just keep moving. We're almost there.
이들이 쥐떼를 뚫고 도착한 곳은 바로 지배인 놈의 사무실이었고
There has to be something in here we need.
911 emergency. Yeah, they're trying to kill him.
때마침 들이닥치는 놈들.
Name and location, ma'am. Hello?
Get down there after him.
살인마도 비밀 통로로 향하고 차고로 나온 두 사람.
We have to let them think we got away. Let them go in. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm the one that got off the interstate.
We should have made sure the gate was up.
None of it was. It was an accident. Okay. Listen, make it out of this. Right?
두 사람은 관계 회복에 성공하고 경찰이 이곳에 도착하죠.
Trace the call.
And I won't disturb anybody. Look around.
No. Haven't had a guest here in 3 nights.
That happened tonight?
Goddamn kids.
I probably should look in these rooms.
Hey, head back to the office. I'll be right back.
Looking for us.
Maybe he's here to.
Hello?
그때 살인마가 두 사람이 있는 곳에 도착하고 경찰도 이들이 범죄자임을 직감하죠.
He looks scared.
Oh, wait! Get in the car! Go! What's the matter?
그러나 경찰차는 이미 고장난 상태. 결국 경찰도 사망하고
Might as well have stuck that knife.
창문을 깨는 데이비드.
This is gonna work. Real. The window. They won't look up here. Just get up there. Get right over there.
What about you?
Get that fucking guy's gun.
Lee, I don't want to do this.
그때 데이빗이 칼에 맞고
Go find her.
어느덧 아침이 찾아오죠. 그런데 아내도 바로 들켜버리고 죽음의 드라이빙이 시작되는데 살인마들은 모두 죽은 듯 했죠. 그때 지배인이 나타나고
Look at me. Hey, look at me!
마침내 지배인까지 최후를 맞이하죠. 다행히 숨이 붙어있는 데이비드.
I could get help. Please, we need your help. And they killed him. Please, please.
그렇게 영화는 두 사람 모두 무사히 목숨을 건지며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 베이컨 씨였습니다. 한 배 앞에 도착한 커플.
You're blackmailing me.
Need to get to my car.
주인공 제퍼는 어쩔 수 없이 모지스라는 남자를 태워주죠.
I'm in real estate.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, well, next time you paddle out, you want to look to shore for the blue bench. Your W wave count.
Thanks. Shouldn't have judged a book by its cover, so.
Moses Markle.
Zephyr.
Nice to meet you, Zephyr.
제퍼는 생각보다 자신과 잘 맞았던 모지스와 하룻밤을 보내고
So what got you into surfing?
So that's against the system.
You did not just quote Point Break at me.
Thanks. I'll bring her right back.
제퍼는 살인마 선장을 마주쳐버리는데 역시나 납치되는 제퍼. 모지스는 제퍼의 차를 발견하죠.
Hi. What is on his boat.
인트로에 나왔던 여자와 갇혀버린 제퍼.
Is anyone looking for you?
모지스는 견인되는 제퍼의 차를 보고 수상함을 느끼는데
She wouldn't let that happen.
What was the name?
Zephyr.
Last name? You don't know her last name.
Why are you here to serve? Is that an underwire?
그때 선장이 들어오고
Starving. Hang on, what's happening here?
Hey, asshole. I'm ready for my dinner now.
Have you ever heard of the Scarlet King? Well, she's a harmless creature, but wow, you just have a... You're a fighter.
결국 제퍼는 다시 묶여버리고 여자를 공중에 띄우는 선장. 든 여자. 제퍼는 절망에 잠겨 자신의 이름을 새기는데 이곳에서 죽은 피해자는 한둘이 아니었죠. 그 시각 모지스는 계속 제퍼 생각뿐이었는데 처하는데
Be careful with that.
제퍼는 놈의 카메라를 버린 뒤 바다로 뛰어들죠. 그런데 금방 기절에 붙잡히는 제퍼. 모지스는 답답한 마음에 당일날 CCTV를 확인해보는데 단서를 발견한 모지스. 제퍼는 양손을 묶여버리고 선장이 카메라를 사러 마트에 들른 사이 직접 선착장에 온 모지스. 그 와중에 여자를 바라보는 여미새 선장.
Bullshit.
Moses! Wait! Put me up instead.
Zeph! Lord!
Oh, how romantic.
그때 구조헬기가 등장하죠. 다시 갇혀버린 두 사람.
You weren't right for each other. Tonight's show is gonna be
결국 제퍼는 자신의 엄지손가락을 포기하기로 결심하죠. 결국 또 붙잡혀버리고 다시 제압에 성공하고 또 바다에 뛰어든 제퍼. 선장은 미니보트를 타고 그녀를 추격하죠. 그렇게 겨우 육지에 다다르는데 또 붙잡혀버린 제퍼. 진짜 고구마의 연속이네요. 이번엔 제퍼가 매달려버리고 대왕 상어가 접근하는데 그렇게 제퍼의 끈이 끊어지고 다행히도 상어는 제퍼를 그냥 지나치죠. 그리고 선장이 한눈을 팔고 있던 그때 그렇게 선장은 대왕 상어에게 물려버리죠. 다행히도 무사히 올라온 제퍼.
Moses.
그렇게 제퍼는 조명탄을 터뜨리고 모지스도 다시 정신을 차리며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화 위험한 동물들이었습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.